Nobody noticed him. And that was his greatest advantage. David was a quiet man. He did not talk much. He did not share his ideas. He did not tell people about his dreams. At work, he listened more than he spoke. Many people thought he was shy. Some people thought he was weak. Most people simply ignored him. David did not mind. He had learned something important early in his life. Not every plan needs an audience. Not every effort needs applause. Every day, David followed the same routine. He woke up early. Before work, he spent time learning new skills. He read books slowly and carefully. He practiced again and again. After work, when others watched television or scrolled on their phones, David continued studying. He never talked about it. People around him talked a lot. They talked about their goals. They talked about their future success. They talked about what they wanted to do one day. David listened quietly. Years passed. Some people changed jobs many times. Some people gave up on their dreams. Some people complained about life. David stayed calm. He stayed focused. He stayed consistent. There were days when David felt tired. There were nights when he wanted to stop. Sometimes he wondered if his effort mattered. But he never shared these thoughts. He kept moving forward, one small step at a time. Silence helped him think clearly. Silence helped him stay patient. While others looked for motivation, David built discipline. While others looked for attention, David built skills. One day, something unexpected happened. David was called into a meeting. His manager spoke about a new opportunity, a better position, more responsibility, more trust. David was chosen. People were surprised. They whispered to each other. They asked, "How did this happen?" They said, "We didn't even know he was capable of this." David did not explain. He did not need to. His work spoke for him. After that day, people looked at David differently. Some felt inspired. Some felt regret. Some wondered why they had talked so much instead of working quietly. David understood something very clearly. Quiet work grows deep roots. Loud work grows weak ones. When you work in silence, you protect your focus. You are not distracted by opinions. You are not slowed by doubt from others. You are not pushed by pressure. Silence gives you control. Control over your time. Control over your energy. Control over your direction. David continued his quiet routine. Even after success, he did not change. He did not become loud. He did not start explaining his journey. He stayed the same because he knew something many people forget. Real success does not need to be announced. Real strength does not need to be proven. If you are working quietly, keep going. If no one notices your effort, do not stop. Silence is not failure. Silence is preparation. One day, results will speak for you. And when they do, you will not need to say anything at all.